Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are back with our F57L Smartwatch, a blood glucose monitoring smartwatch, and this time we are going to check on the menus and features of this smartwatch. So it is a second video review, just a continuation of our unboxing of the F57L Smartwatch. So if you have any questions regarding the smartwatch, especially on the menus and features of this new blood glucose monitoring smartwatch, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, so let's start and check on the features of this new smartwatch, the F57L Smartwatch. But before that, again, let's check out the design of the F57L Smartwatch. Okay, there's a crown button here, and we have an aluminum alloy body frame. Okay, for the features, we have 50 sports mode, and some of the details here on the side. So much better if we check it right away. Okay, actual demo. So again, the bottom to from top to bottom. So we have here the quick settings. Okay, the display. Okay, sleep monitoring, I think, the menu options for this one, information about your smartwatch. As you can see, we have the F57L. Okay, we also have the battery stats here. On the right side or on the left side, we have the menus. So it has a body temperature, okay, quick access to the different health features. Okay, the same with the right side. Left side and right side is just the same UI. Okay, on the bottom part, we have the notification function. Okay, if you want to change the watch face, just long press. Let's see. Okay, so it is preloaded with different watch faces, as you can see here. Okay, to access the main menu, just press the crown button. Let's see if this thing works with the watch faces. Okay, no. Oh, there's no option for rotary. So if you want to access the main menu, just press. And we have the different menus here. Let's see if this thing works. Okay, it's not working also. Guess we have to swipe. Okay, so we have workout, pedometer, we have sleep function, heart rate, also have blood pressure, have blood oxygen, body temperature monitoring, blood glucose, weather, we have notification, we have an alarm, stopwatch, timer, music, find phone, we have female physiological monitoring, we also have a camera, remote control, we have calculator, and on the settings we have the screen display. Okay, so adjustment here is for the brightness. We also have auto lock for several seconds. Can we change it? Let's make it 10. Okay, we have the health monitoring, health and monitor. So this one, continuous monitoring of your heart rate. We also have a heart rate alert and BP monitoring. So what's this one? The switch movement reminder. Okay, that is sedentary alert. We have disconnection alert. If your smartwatch is disconnected from the Bluetooth connectivity on your smartphone, and we have turn wrist to wake. Okay, if you want the screen to automatically turn on every time that you want to check the smartwatch. The menu style, we only have two here, list and grid menu. Okay, notification option. Okay, you can switch it if you want to receive an incoming call, SMS, WeChat. Okay, these are the applications supported. Okay, so you can set it directly here on the smartwatch. No need to go to the support app, I think, just to set the notifications from different applications. Language support. Okay, we have several languages here. We have the H band. I think this is the QR code for the support app. And we have the system. Okay, you can erase the information, or you can remove or turn off the smartwatch. Okay, so these are the features available in the settings. You also have calculator. Okay, going back, okay, to one of its main features, for example, the workout. So we have outdoor run, outdoor walk, we have hiking, indoor run, indoor walk, stair stepper, we have outdoor cycle, okay, stationary bike, we have elliptical rowing machine, we also have yoga, okay, and other sports here. Okay, based on the box here and the user manual, we have at least 50 sports mode included. Let's see if we do have the swimming function of swimming sports. Seems like most of the... Oh, we have a sailboat, but no, I don't see any swimming function here. Dumbbell, floor, and football. Okay, those are, or these are the sports. These are the sports included in the smartwatch. So let's check out the details. Auto run, so it monitors for the time, distance, beats per minute, okay, time, and calories. Okay, for the heart rate, okay, beats per minute, blood pressure, okay, blood oxygen, body temperature. We're going to test this out. Okay, blood glucose, okay, weather and alarm. Okay, so that's it for the main menus, okay, of the F57L Smartwatch. Okay, a blood glucose monitoring smartwatch. Okay, one of the most affordable blood monitoring smartwatch in the market, the F57L Smartwatch. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding the smartwatch, okay, especially on the different menus, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Bye.